Right, folks, so now we are going to be placing our worm tower inside this ginormous raised garden bed. So we have sort of identified a spot. There are some plants that are coming up, but we are going to sacrifice a few of them. So we have we've looked all over this base, and we've decided that this is going to be the spot where this is going to be sitting. So what we need to do, of course, is to dig and make sure that this guy goes as deep as here. It should be the same level as the sides of the bed. And of course, we are going to make it look similar to the bed that we already have, which is this one, the one that we have had here on this bed for, I'd say, about a month now, a month or so. So in here, inside this tower, we already have a few worms. In fact, not a few. I think now we've got a few hundreds. But we're not going to open. Maybe let me open it. Then you can see there's quite a few worms inside, but the rest of them should be a little bit deep eating. There's quite a lot of food we fed this bin a few days ago, so I'm not going to disturb that. Right, we are now done digging, and there is our hole. And now what we are going to do, we're going to take this bucket, this tower, and we're gonna move it in here. There we go, there's our worm tower. I think what we're gonna do next is to start setting it up. We've set it up, but we just need now to put in some food scraps in there. And what we will do is maybe a week or two later, we'll come and have a look at whether or not the red wigglers have found it. But I mean, by the look of things, they were able to get to this side of town, so that definitely means that they are going to find it without a doubt. So let's go get some food scraps, set it up, put in some nice bedding for the worms, and see what happens. Right, here's our food scraps. We have a whole lot of things, so we've used this bucket to keep these things during the week. So we've got banana peels, we've got those egg casings, potato peels, carrots, lemon, you've got cucumber, and a whole lot of things that we just throw in this bucket. So that's going to be the feed for the worms. That's going to be the food that they are going to eat. And again, take part of the materials that we took out and introduce it and put it on top of this feed. The idea is we want to make sure that we don't end up with breeding fruit flies, because this is their favorite food, banana peels especially. So we don't want fruit flies to be our friends. So we need to cover everything with some materials. And there you go, folks. We have completed filling up the worm tower. So we should come back now in about 2 weeks' time, and we'll give you the update in terms of what is happening. Thank you very much for watching.